Alright guys, going to run 3 boxes of 22 long rounds for Steven. 300 total rounds, 25 spots. Jesus Christ, look at the notifications. 25 bucks, 25 spots. Jesus, I couldn't say shit. I had a mouthful for 250 a spot. Alright, now that we got past that, we are live at 9:42 p.m. on the East Coast. Want to roll 2 dice, no snake eyes. 6 biggins. Paste our list, 25 names, 942. 25 items, 42. Let's go. Ryan after 2. Jacob after 3. Lucas after 4. And Bert after 5. We've been 5 times. Dice rolls is 6. Time is 9:42. One more time, guys. Good luck and congrats to Ryan in spot 16. There's your win. 6 and 6, 42 and 42. Congratulations. We are done. It's 9:43. Congrats.